Hey everyone, it's Emma and Katie, and today we are going to show you how to make your own mushroom lamp.
So for this craft, you are going to need a bowl, you got a plastic one, and then an opaque cup. If you don't have an opaque cup, that's fine, you just might not be able to see your fun lights underneath. Some paint and lights, you can use fairy lights, tea lights, whatever you have around.
Alright, so the first step is going to be finding whatever cup you have around the house, or we got these at Target for like 50 cents. So you're going to grab a cup and a bowl, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of hot glue on the top of the cup, flip your bowl upside down, and get it stuck on the top.
So once you have your hot glue on the top, you're just going to want to make sure that you are pressing down on your bowl so that it's really secure.
Once your cup and bowl are hot glued together, you're going to want to go ahead and start painting the top of your mushroom whatever color you want. I'm going to do mine red on the top.
And I'm going to do mine blue. And it might take a couple of coats before you can put your white dots on. So once everything is fully dry and you are happy with the coverage, you're going to go ahead and take some white paint or whatever color you want your dots on your mushroom to be and start placing them on your mushroom. And there doesn't have to be any rhyme or reason to your placements.
The last step is going to be to light up your lamp. Now, if you don't have lights, you can leave them just like this and put them around the house as decor, or to spice it up a bit, you can put some lights in the bottom. So what you're gonna do is grab some fairy lights, or like she said, it could be a little candle or a tea light. Something battery operated would work best. You're gonna put your lights in the bottom of your cup and go ahead and turn them on and flip it back upside down, and now you have a perfect mushroom light.
All right, well, we can't wait to see your mushrooms, so go ahead and drop a photo below, and then we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.